Hello future designers, and welcome to today's tutorial on creating a news app. Okay, sorry, website. So in the previous lessons we actually built something like this, okay, for the UI, for the weather side. Okay, so now when the user clicks on, let's say, the news icon, we want it to open this web page where the user the user will have access to some news, like trends in the news related to agriculture. Okay, so that said, let's get started. So all I have to do is, we already have this, so I'm just going to control D it, so duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm going to clear these ones. Okay, then let's check our dimensions, like our size for this. So the size for this is 270 by 1024, 270 by 1024. So I'm going to do that. So I'll select this frame, which is 270 by 1024. So 270 by 1024. Okay, sorry, not a frame, not a frame. So I rather have to, let's see, not this one. So let me change this background to white. Okay, to white. Okay, then I'll go for a shape tool, which is the rectangle, and then I'm going to draw from here, so from this corner, okay, or this edge to this edge, and then we are going to give it this color value, so which is 007155. Okay, and then the property here to be what, 2270, that's 272 by 10 to, I think, 4 or 5. Let's leave it to this. Okay, now what we want is to add some shadows. So as you see here, there's some shadow here, so let's check here. So you can see some shadow effects. So to do that, we would go to um, effects, click on the drop shadow, and then let's see the property I gave here. So let me see, I have what, 5 for the x-axis and then 15 for blur. Okay, so we want our shadow to appear on the right side. So to do that, okay, on the effects, we'll change here to 5. Then the blur to, I think we use 20. I use 20. Let's confirm that. 20, 20, 15. Okay, 15. We can still stay with the 20. Okay. Now this is a Lottie file. Okay, it gives us some form of animation as you see here. Okay, so it animates. Okay, you might want to go to lottie.com to have access to this file, download them. Okay, or you can right click, go to your plugins, and then find more plugins, and then you should search for a Lottie file. Since I already have it installed, okay, I can just click on it and then it will appear. Okay, it will appear, and then I can search for whatever I want to keep. My internet connectivity is very poor, so it's taking time for it to load. So I'll just close it, and because I already have it. Now let's look at the size here. So the size for this is 146 by 146. So we'll do same for this. So to make sure it's evenly, I'll just click OK. So it's already connected. If we're okay, so let's connect it so that when I resize one side, it also resize the other. Okay, so say 146. Okay, so 146 by 1. Okay, and I'm going to position it. Okay, it should come in front. So right click and then bring to front. Okay, and I'll position it here. But better still, let's confirm something. So with the help of the alt key, I'll check. So I have 58. Okay, so 58. So let's check. Okay, so 58, 62 by 62. So this particular one isn't perfectly aligned. So let's see. Okay, this is what we are working on. So let's leave it to this. So now we want to work on the icons here. So the icons here in the previous lessons, okay, this was what we did. Okay, using iconify. So I'm just going to Control C, Control V this, drag it to this screen. Then all I have to do is to just double click on the icon, move it here, move this, sorry, double click on this one to move it here. Same with this, then same with the location icon. Okay, then I'm going to delete this. Okay, so now let's try, let's first, let me check the spacing. So the spacing is 76. So let's do that. So let me see, with the help of the Alt key. So I'm going to take this up, 76, 76. Okay, 76. Then let's check the spacing. So 35 on the right, so 35. Okay, so all we have to do is I'm going for the text tool, so T, and then I'll type weather. I always keep missing the A, weather. So weather, and then let's check this font property. So Roboto regular 24. So I'll do same for this. So Roboto, click here, choose regular, and then change it to 24. Now all I can do is let's see what we have here. So I'll leave it to the size, and then let me check the spacing between them. So 17 is fine. Okay, 17 is fine. Okay, then I can do same for these ones. Okay. So first let me check the spacing here. So 53. So I'm going to do same for here. 53. Okay. Let's see the size. The size is 30. 24. This is what? 30. 24. So I can just Control C, Control V this, bring it down, change it to insights. So insights. Okay, so I'm going to pause and then just type it for the rest. Okay, so I'm done typing, and now we can actually, so this is what we want. When our user clicks on the news, we want the color to change. Okay, so I'm going to use this color code as you see here, and then I'll change our weather color to, so where's the weather color? I'll give it this particular color. So let's confirm the spacing. So here 53 is 34. Let's see. Or better still, I can multi-select it. So hold shift. Then let me go to shall I use tidy up? Okay, so tidy up. So tidy up as let's see, 35, 47, 47, 48. Okay. I think this is fine. Let's preview it. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay. You might be wondering how came how I got this frame. Okay, what you do is you can see if you select your frame, you can see we have frame here. Okay, so you can just click on the drop down and then choose. So I'm using MacBook Pro 14. Okay, MacBook Pro 14. Better say if this is the first time you are doing this, you can just work on it here. So frame, and then you click on the MacBook Pro 14. Okay, to get a frame. Okay. Whichever way you decide, it's up to you. Okay, so that said, thank you, and then I'll see you in our next lesson where we'll actually learn to do that of this. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson.